Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I've got in this tiny wee bag a journal, and I'm going to show you my little journal. I made this back a while back, but I need to get rid of, and when I say get rid of, I need to start, clearing up a bit of the stuff that I've got, because I've just got so much that I've made and collected. So I'm going to put this on my Esty. Now this has got a piece of leather, well maybe not leather, it could be fake leather, thong sort of stuff thing on it, like stringy. Could be a suede looking thing by the look of it. Now, you've probably seen this little book before. Okay, so I just need a drink of water, sorry. This has got a really nice, I don't know what it is. It's a fake velvet, that's what it is. It's fake velvet cover, and on here I've put a piece of embroidery, and hand embroidery actually, a really old piece that is. A little pin, you can pin something on, and there's these two pieces of braid and a button, alright? So inside this one we have just a place there for you to write personal diary. You put your name in that, and there's a little flower on there. There's a dear little picture out of a kid's book, children's book. Here is some, my actual, what's name is there. There's nowhere for me to put anything else. There's my card. And there's another little ticket. There's one here. Little ticket, journaling page. This is a really, really nice little thing. I think this is make a really lovely gift for someone who's got everything. Because they won't have one of these, I don't know. There's a little book in there that I made. I sewed that, put the signatures, sewed the signature up, and that's it there, look. And I've got a lace down there and lace up the side. This may be a tuck spot, but it may not. We don't know yet. Let me see. Don't think it's moving. Oh dear, I didn't make a tuck spot out of that. Probably forgot. Started gluing it last minute, you know. This is actually a place where you can put a photo. And this one here is really, really pretty paper. And then we've got this nice bird, and he's sitting there, and he's a tuck spot. You can put down something down in there. Right, and these are really nice, pretty kitty. And that's a nice one. And this one here I've made a little booklet. And that goes in the envelope there that I've made. Oh, I didn't make it. I just cut it. Actually, the envelope goes that way in the book, okay? Wait a minute, I'll show you. Let me show you. See that there? That's the envelope. And I've put that down the middle, cut it down the side here, glued these bits, because if you don't glue them bits, it won't hold, it'd be best if you glue these two bits down, and then it hangs onto it better, okay? And so you've got drilling space there, and that's the centre. It's got a really nice piece of, what do you call them? Oh, well, they're flowers, but I was going to... blossoms, are they? Yes. And there's the signature there, which I've got a 5-hole on, I think. Right, and then more bits, and here's the other side of the pocket of the envelope. And I don't know how come that's like that and other one's the other way. I don't know. It doesn't matter, does it, how it got to be that way. This little fella ended up to be upside down, but that's okay, because he could be just swinging around in the tree. There's a stamp on there. Little envelope here. This opens up like so, and you can write in there. Tuck that under that little tiny little flower. This has got some bits and pieces tucked in it. More places for writing. Lots of places here, so you can make this, just write in this and make this your own little thing. And there's another little picture there. And here is another little envelope on the back, and it's got little stamped... I can't get hold of them. Well, you can get them out. It'd be fun trying to, I guess. There we go. There we go. So there's little tickets down in there. And that's that one. And I just must see how many pages that's got in that too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,